Hey y'all, so today I thought I would just take you along as I drove through Orange Beach and Gulf Shores. Aaron wanted to take some pictures at the beach, so I figured I'd just show y'all around a little bit. Okay, right there on the left was the track. It's a small amusement park. So we have go-karts, bumper boats, an arcade and everything in there. Underneath this bridge to the left, you have Lulu's restaurant, which if you've come to this area, I'm sure you're familiar with it. Once you get to the bottom of the bridge, you're going to have your main strip of restaurants and small shopping areas. Coming up here on the left, you'll see the roller coaster that is part of Waterville, another amusement parks with large slides, swimming areas, and a lazy river. Now here on the right you see Souvenir City. This is going to be one of your biggest souvenir shops in Gulf Shores. Okay, once you come to this red light, you'll see on the left the Hangout. It's an eatery, a bar, they have live music, entertainment. If you go straight ahead, you have public parking, but I do not believe in paying for public beach parking, so we are going to Orange Beach. One of the things that's pretty common down here is to go parasailing. I've actually been myself. It's pretty fun.
The sun is rising, here we are. I didn't think we'd come this far. I just feel it. This is truly where I belong. Making my way down Ocean Drive. Hungover people pass me by. I know they feel it. Yeah, they feel the way that I do right now. Lost in Miami and we were too drunk, but it was only you and I. Only you and I. Can we go back to the times we were reckless and free? Just you and me. So take me back to South Beach. We were young and stupid, and that was all that we had. Take me back to then. Under the palm tree, it was only you and me. Getting drunk on Hennessy. Take me back to then. To those hot Miami nights. Broken bottles on the floor. We were still drunk from the night before. We didn't care if there was snow tomorrow. Under the Florida sunset we danced, and it was only you and I. Only you and I. So take me back to South Beach. We were young and stupid, and that was all that we had. Take me back to then. Under the palm tree, it was only you and me. Getting drunk on Hennessy. Take me back to then. To those hot Miami nights.
Okay, in this parking lot coming up right here on the right, you see storage containers. They've actually turned that into a restaurant, so if you're down in the Orange Beach area, you might want to check that out. So Aaron and I got here pretty early. As you can see, there's open parking spaces. That usually never happens here. And then also next week is spring break, so I'm sure it's going to be overpopulated. But for today, we had the beach to ourselves. One thing about Orange Beach is that it is usually swim at your own risk. Right here, there is a lifeguard stand, so I'm assuming they're now using lifeguards. But be extremely careful if you're swimming in this area. This channel right here is known for its undercurrents. Other thing I wanted to mention is anytime you see these sand dunes, guys, you've got to stay off the sand dunes. If they see you on them, they will fine you, and if not worse. So don't be like these people here. Don't be on the sand dunes.
I know they feel it. Yeah, they feel the way that I do right now. Lost in my head.
As we're headed back, I wanted to mention that Orange Beach has multiple ways of entering there, one being the toll bridge. Gulf Shores has one major entrance, going to be the bridge, Highway 59. But guys, if you're traveling here over the prime summer months or spring break, you might want to take the alternate route of taking the Beach Express. You'll see signs for it all the way from I-10 south to the beach. If you don't, you're going to be sitting in bumper to bumper traffic for miles. What takes usually about 45 minutes to an hour is going to take you 3 hours or more. Guys, so that's pretty much it. Thanks for riding along with us. If you are familiar with Gulf Shores or Orange Beach, you know that this was just a very small part of that. If not, then there's more to see, more to do. I just mainly took you along for the main strip. If you do come down, enjoy it, have fun, but be safe. I'll see you next time.